Hi, welcome to our Storyscape. This is Lorena, and I'm going to show you today how to copy a class. First of all, let's go to the teacher's panel right here. Then we're going to click on class management, and we'll see our classes. So, for example, I would like to copy group number 2. And then when I click on my group, I will see these options, and then I'll look for copy class. I'll click on that, and then I'll be able to select a different title for my students. Okay, so by copying this class, your students will have access to our Storyscape and the book that you choose here with the same login information. I will click on copy right here, and you will see that my students have been successfully copied to this title. So I hope that was very useful for you. If you do have any questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com, or simply go to the help button right here and click on this icon.